child education is important. Yes, I would agree. But see, the thing is, education of a child should not be as early as from age 1 or 2, but should not even be delayed maybe to ages 5 or 6. A child should be with their parents at least long enough that they can grow and maybe sustain themselves in the world. So I would say that maybe for an education of a child, it should begin by age 4 or 5. That would be the prominent age.
Okay.
Yes, that's very important for our children, as early education leads to the growth environment for our children, and they can earn a good money in the near future for themselves and for us, for their livelihood. As early education provides the knowledge about our human values and discipline and other qualities like punctuation. That's very important for the children to grow and develop in the near future. So I want my children to take an early education in a very good school.
Yeah, I think early education is important for students because the growth and development of students depend upon early age. If they learn new things at early age, it will be really beneficial for them in future. They learn so many things at the early age, so they interact with each other. So I think early education should be given to the children. It's very
एजुकेशन
important.
इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एवरी चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पेरेंट्स ये एजुकेशन नहीं सिखा सकते जो भी इन्हें अर्ली एजुकेशन से सीखने को
It's
मिलता है.
very important for everyone in this competitive world. The education plays a very vital role in our life, and if the children knows the values of the education during their early age, then they can design their future according to their wish, and they can fulfill their wish according to their demand of the society, and they achieve the better position of life in society.
I think the main reason that children can't go to school is poverty, that they can't afford going to school, and also because in villages and all there are no good schools built, so people can't go to school like anywhere.
ਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਵਿਲੇਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਵੇਅਰਨੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ਸਕੂਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਬਣੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਵਾ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ. ਨਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਆ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ. ਪਰ ਪੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਬੜੇ ਮੇਨ ਮਨੀ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਮੇਨ ਕਾਰਨ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਗਰੀਬ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ, ਉਹ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ. ਅਤੇ ਬਟ ਗੌਰਮੈਂਟ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਸ਼ਡਿਊਲ ਕਾਸਟ ਨੂੰ, ਪਰ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਵੇਅਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਮਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਵਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ.
There are many reasons that are possible, like family doesn't allow him. In villages there are not the availability of schools. उनके पास privileges नहीं होते. कई ऐसी possibilities हैं, financial background जिसके कारण वो स्कूल नहीं जा पाते. और यू कैन से दैट उनके फैमिलीज अलाउ नहीं करते. इन बैकवर्ड क्लासेस गर्ल्स ऑल्सो, मतलब देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर गर्ल्स. दे डोंट वांट कि गर्ल्स एजुकेट हों. उनका सिर्फ ये कि 12th के बाद ये वो समथिंग लाइक दैट. और आप ये भी कह सकते हो सबसे द मेन रीज़न इज़ दैट कि उनकी जो सोच है वो पुरानी सोच है. वही चाहते हैं कि पढ़ लिख के क्या है, और अगर चाहते भी हैं कि पढ़ाना है बट पढ़ा नहीं सकते, फाइनेंशियल कंडीशंस. That's
maybe due to their parents don't want them to go to school. Instead they want them to earn money, and they are promoting child labor also. This may be one of the reason, and another reason may be that government school should not be there.
I think so the possible reasons why children don't go to school is the poverty, as poverty is one of the main cause for India for being from the transmission from developing country to non-developing countries. Like if we go to this poverty-stricken areas, there are many people who don't send their children just because of the food and because of earning money for their good survival, but they can't maintain for their survival. And there must be another reason, many reasons like illiteracy. That's one of the major reasons.
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी हमें बच्चों के लिए एक स्मॉल कम्युनिटीज़ बनानी चाहिए कि ताकि जो बच्चे जा नहीं सकते, जो बैकग्राउंड क्लास के हैं, जो स्कूल्स वगैरह में नहीं जा सकते, हाँ, तो हम पढ़े लिखे होकर हमारी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि हमें उनको पढ़ाना चाहिए अपने लेवल पर, ताकि जो वो आगे ग्रोथ कर सकें, चाहे वो स्कूल जाएँ चाहे ना जाएँ.
Providing free books मनी
ट्यूशंस एंड अगर पॉकेट मनी में से कुछ हिस्सा अगर उनको दे सकते हैं तो हेल्प हो सकती है उनकी।
बुक्स
और
दे सकते हैं
books
अपनी
दे सकते
पुरानी।
हैं। बस यही है।
The biggest priority for a youth to give the student is study as well as education to fulfill the needs of a student. What according to the requirement of a child, what he wants, what he gets from you.
Common phenomena is that everyone follows is that we should donate our old books to our juniors or the books that are not used that we're not reading to our class members too. I think another way is that I think this kind of children doesn't have the sportive. Most of them doesn't have the sportive parents. So our higher authorities, we should deal with the higher authorities that they should talk to the parents. They should try to motivate the parents that they should encourage the children to do higher studies. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, I think free funding schools should be there, but only for deserving students. Because I think कि students को अगर हम free education दें, they won't be that serious towards getting that education. So I want free funding should be there for the needy students, deserving students, those who value education. Thank you. Right?
According to me, that children are the future of a country. So अगर ऐसे schools जो लोगों को free education provide करेंगे वो और खोले जाएंगे तो उनके लिए हमारी country जो अभी सिर्फ developing country है वो एक developed country में convert हो सकती है. So जितने ज़्यादा ऐसे schools खुलेंगे उतना ही हमारी country के लिए अच्छा है.
Of course, the school should be open for the needy children because they need education, and we as teachers or students, we have the responsibility to teach them so that the society should be uplifted in every manner and respect. Thank you.